Hello. Today I'm going to address an aspect of essay writing which is very important but isn't given much thought. How to check your own essay after writing. Why is this important? This step gives you a chance to add finishing touches and perfect your essay after completion. Rechecking does not simply mean reading your essay again and again. Your aim at this point should be to rearrange ideas, correct mistakes, and optimize your writing. So, how do you do this? Step 1. Check for spelling mistakes. Cross-check similar sounding words like THERE and THEIR, there, or lose and lose, LOSE and LOOSE. Also, check words like believe, achieve, receive, where the position of I and E could be switched by mistake. Step 2. Check your sentences. Is there a way for you to better construct a sentence? Ensure that you do remove redundant words to optimize your sentences. Redundant words are those that are not needed in your sentence. For instance, instead of writing, I am going to do shopping today in your letter, you may write, I am going shopping today. Or instead of writing something like, one has to dedicate a lot of time to a task and then only can one improve, you may write, one has to dedicate more time to a task in order to improve. Step 3. Reorder sentences. After optimizing each sentence, check if they're placed in a logical order. Sometimes you can provide an example, explain it, or you could write a statement and then support it with an example. Check your statements, arguments, and examples and understand in what order they need to come. Step 4. Check your examples. Now that you have finished writing, check if there is room to provide better examples to support your stance. An example might not have struck you at the time of planning the essay, but once you are done, you might be able to relax and find a better example. Step 5. Check punctuation. After restructuring your sentences, ensure that you have used punctuation wherever appropriate. Common mistakes include using too many commas or none at all. An easy way to understand if you need a comma is to check where in a sentence you pause or take a breath. You will find that you have to put a comma after the word where you take a pause. Finally, step 6. Check the word count. In the IELTS, it is very important to write a minimum of 150 words for task 1 and 250 words for task 2. You must ensure that you have achieved this. You may write more since there is no word limit, but if you fall short of your word count, you could lose points. Well, there you go. 6 easy steps to perfect your writing. Good luck!